Hi, how are you guys? Thank you for watching my videos. Did you know that there is nothing like a perfect app or product? This is the greatest myth that actually most entrepreneurs have. And when it comes to tech entrepreneurs, it's worse. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about why there is nothing like a perfect app, and then I will show you how to build a successful app. If this video is right for you, subscribe for other videos to come, like it, share it. My name is Anish Dennis from ThinkX Software, and today I'll be talking to you about how to build a successful app. So let's dig into it. So one of the first things that people have a myth about is that we have been building apps for our clients for a very long time, but the biggest problem you will see that clients think that they are going to build an app and it is going to be the best in the world, so they delay to go to the market because they have ideal features they want to build, and in the end most of the time they end up not finishing the app, they run out of the budget, or by the time they want to go to the market they have died because they have run out of money. Now, the tech environment is very difficult and customers are very dynamic. Today you know what they want, tomorrow you don't know what they want. So you must build on the go. So one of the key things is that you have to build on the go. You have to build while you test with your customers and you test what do they need. You don't have to throw in everything to know what your customers want. Assuming you want to build something like an e-commerce, you can start with something small and then test it out with them and then see how your customers are responding and then improve on it. So I'm going to go through with you step by step some of the things, some of the questions you can ask yourself while you want to build an app that you want to be successful. Yes, let's get to it. One, you need to identify the problem you are solving. Every app, every founder of the app starts by having the problem they want to solve. So for example, you may be building an app to help people access medicine remotely. You may be building an app to help people find what they want online. Or you may be building an app to help people manage their expenses. Or an enterprise app. No matter whatever the case is. Or it could even be just a business. So one thing you have to know, there is that real problem you are trying to solve. So for example, you are building an app to help customers find a bus easily. That's your problem. Once you have identified this problem, you need to build a minimum viable product. Now, it's commonly known as an MVP. What is an MVP? An MVP is that simple as the short version of your product. So just that it is enough to prove your concept. So you don't have to build every feature in the app, but you can start with something small that proves the concept of solving your own problem. For example, in this case, you want to build an application that helps people find a bus easily. So you want, for example, to build something that lists buses, and then someone can pick the bus maybe near them or know the time the bus is leaving. You don't have to go to very complex, you don't have to design a lot. You just have to build something that solves that simple problem. And then the next step is you want to move that app or that product to the market. It's still a minimum viable product and it's not the perfect, as you may say. You want to give it to potential users or your customers or test groups that are real users and let them start using it, and then this is going to help you get feedback. So when you get feedback, you are going to go back and iterate. Maybe they will say the way you arrange the buses, it's not easy, to do this. And you know, they don't even have to tell you, you observe. They say don't ask, observe, see how your customers are using the app. Observe and then go back and make fixes. Once you have done this, you are working now on the other point of which is working on the feedback. By doing this, you realize that your minimum viable product is improving. Now, to go to the next point, which is you must work around knowing your revenue model. Often you find people building apps and they totally have no revenue model. They don't know how they are going to make money. Unless you are like an NGO or something like that, or you have, even if you want to find investors, you must know how does your app or your system make money. So you have to think about it and you start testing that out, because the sooner you start making money, the better. Because they say that what kills businesses or what kills startups, they don't die, they actually drown. Because if you don't earn money to come to you, what will start happening is that your business will fail on cash flow and you will drown. So you want to start testing out people to buy from you. You want them to start having that revenue coming in. So it may be little, it may be less than $1 million, it may be less than 100,000. And this will prove a concept that actually people can pay for your service. You don't want to build and invest 100 million into something you are not sure if people are even willing to pay for it. You need to test that concept as soon as possible. So you have to work on bringing the revenue in. And of course, finally, you have to keep working on your product. Most times, customers think they can build their app once and then it's done and it's the perfect app. The bad news is there's nothing like a perfect app. You have to work on it. That's why you see even apps like WhatsApp, often they're sending you updates, Facebook and all these apps, they don't get finished. So you need to partner with a developer or a software company that will have a continuous arrangement with you to help you continually improve your application. Because as you get feedback, you may need to rapidly change what you build. So let's go back to it. Identify the problem, build the minimum viable product, test it out with the potential customers, define your revenue model and start earning in some money, work on feedback, and then improve the app throughout. So thank you guys for watching. I'm Dennis Anish from ThinkX Software. I hope the video was really informative. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.